Hey guys, hope you're well. I just thought I'd quickly just drop in and just let you know what my plan is for today. I'm just back at base camp, and just gonna have a quiet couple of hours today. That's the plan really. I've got a fire going. I'm just about to get some. I'm gonna get that down to hot coals. I plan to have a bit of food. I've brought with me. You'll just see me making a bit of a plate ready, a tray. I bought half a rack of ribs, some green to go with it, just to give it a bit of colour. Obviously, my can of Diet Coke goes everywhere with me, and I'm probably going to make a brew just to go with it. The other thing I'm going to do, and this is just sort of a bit of a mini review really. I've had this for ages, and it's the Grilliput. I think it's called the Grilliput Compact Grill or Grilliput Lightweight Grill. I weighed it last night and it really actually isn't that lightweight. It's actually 550 grams, I think. But it does compact down into a really small size. I have long lost the end cap, so I've just got a bit of tape on the end to hold everything in. But I'll show you in a minute how all that goes together. And I'm going to use it today to cook my ribs over hopefully over a bed of hot embers. So we'll see how that pans out. So that's it, guys. That's the Grilliput. I'll find out what the proper name is for it, and I'll drop it into the description below. I can't remember. It's the Grilliput. I think it's the Grilliput Portable or the Grilliput Lightweight or Packable or something. But it's a Grilliput grill, anyways. I think it's about. I mean, I bought this a long time ago, but I think I've seen them maybe on the Bushcraft store. I think they now go for about 30 quid. Like I say, I guess if you're just off for a day into the woods, you're not hiking too far, you don't mind carrying the extra weight, it's an okay grill. It's an okay grill because it packs down so small. I don't particularly consider it lightweight. I had a little look last night on eBay or Amazon, I think it was, and $11.99 buys you a grill that just where it's about the same size. The legs fold in, it doesn't fold down as small as this, but it's well over 200 grams lighter. So so I don't particularly consider this lightweight, but I do like the fact that it packs down so small. Given a choice also, I think I'd like if the legs joined, and that would probably stop it sinking into the ground. So far I do want a foldable, a packable grill. I've actually seen that Kimbra, Tilly, move! Tilly's trying to eat the leg of the tripod. Tilly, move! I've seen that Kimbra Bushcraft uses a really neat foldy one. I think that his one is called a bitty grill or something. Again, I'll chuck it down in the description, but that's really neat and it seems to fold down really small. So that's the Grilliput. I'm going to try it today. The ribs, this is going to burn down to embers. The ribs are going to go straight on. But for now, I think for half an hour, I'm just going to have a chill in the hammock. I'll show you that in a moment. It's the DD XL frontline hammock. Again, it's a little bit heavy. I don't mind carrying the weight. I've had a lifetime sort of weight carrying. The reason I bought the XL though is when I am out hammock camping, and we have tested it, it's big enough for me and for Taylor, and we can both jump in and cozy up at night, and there's plenty of room for the two of us. Off it then, is it, boy? Away, away. That's it, guys. Another episode over and done with. Coffee's on the go. As I said, I was just gonna chill today, really. Something crawling through my sphagnum moss there. Good. As I say, I was just gonna plan for today. Really, was just to sort of come up here and just have a bit of a chill out. Make some nice food. Think you can see that. Might be better from that angle. So that's the plan, really. I'm just going to sit here. I'm going to enjoy my rack of ribs. Texas BBQ. Wow. And the greenery is obviously just for show. So that's it, guys. I'm going to enjoy this, and I'm going to pack up, and I'm going to be on my way. Hope you've enjoyed it. As I say, I was going to put the hammock up, but that didn't really happen. As I say, part of today was just to sort of test out this Grilliput. I've used it before, but only around the camper van, really. Never actually out in a situation like in this type of scenario. Like I say, it's worked really well. I like the fact that it packs down really small. I don't like how heavy it is, but otherwise, yeah, it works really well, and really I can't fault it. I've seen some of the other Grilliput. I've got a Grilliput fold-in fire as well. Now that, by comparison, they're meant to go together, and that by comparison actually is really lightweight. I mean, it's tin foil light. And I have used that several times, and that does work really well. And maybe I'll show you that in another video. But I wasn't carrying it up here today, along with that thing. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my food, and oh, it does taste divine, like. I'm just gonna say, diolch yn fawr I chi, welwch chi tro nesaf. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time. You know the deal. Give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, give me a sub, and when you do give me a sub, ring that bell so that you get notified when I throw up more videos in future. And that's it from me. Bye, guys. Hope you've enjoyed. See you next time. Pork's a nightmare for getting stuck in teeth. If anyone knows of a natural toothpick, let me know.